Again, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel, Chemistry Philic Shapon. Today, I am going to discuss some most important competitive exam question, mainly for JEE Main. Mainly for JEE Main, I will discuss some MCQs based on the previous discussion, that is molarity and molality. I think it will be helpful for you. The first one, जो पहला वाला है वो क्वेश्चन स्क्रीन पे है, देखो. The first question is the molarity of a solution obtained by mixing 750 ml of 0.5 m HCl with 250 ml of 2 molar HCl will be. So actually हम लोगों को जो मिक्सचर है, दो solutions are there. One is 0.5 molar HCl, another is 2 molar HCl. We have to calculate the molarity of the mixed solution, and there are 4 options given. So let us start. First of all, we will see that what will be the formula for calculation of the molarity of the mixture. Here, suppose first let us consider molarity of the mixed solution is M mix. So first of all, we are considering this one. Okay. Now 2 solutions are there. Suppose the first one is V1, and suppose for the first solution molarity is M1. So here V1 is volume 750 ml and M1 is 0.5 molar. And let us consider for the second V2, it is 250 ml and molarity M2 2 molar. So first of all, we have considered this. Now what is the total volume of the mixture? Total volume of the mixture equals to V1 plus V2. So check this one. For mixture, we have considered molarity is M mix and total volume came V1 plus V2 for the mixed solution. And these data are already given. Now we have to see the formula. First, you copy this one. Now you know one formula, that is V1S1 equals to V2S2. But for mixture, actually the formula will be like this. The formula will be total volume is V1 plus V2 for the mixture. So M mix into total volume V1 plus V2 equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. Now we have to calculate. Here you see V1 V2, it is already known. M1 M2, these are already known. So unknown data is here molarity of the mixing. So M mix, we have to calculate this one. M mix equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. So ultimately you have to remember this one. Ultimately you have to remember this one. It is the formula. M mix equals to M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Now all the data are given, just we will put the data in the formula. Okay, so students, let's start the calculation. Just now we will put the formula. Okay, now formula, if we put, then M mix equal to M1 V1. So M1 is here 0.5 into volume V1 is 750 plus M2 V2. So 2 into 250 by V1 plus V2, that is 750 plus 250. Now you have to calculate this one. If you calculate, you will get the result. The result will come 0.875 M. So what is the correct option? Option A. Okay, option A is the correct option. So students, it is very simple if you know, but sometimes we only think V1S1 equals to V2S2, so we cannot think about the mixing concept. So for mixture, always remember this formula, then all the data will be given. It is not so difficult. ये difficult नहीं है एकदम, just you put the value, you will get, and you see the calculation is also very easy. 750 plus 250, it will come 1000. 0.5 means actually half, so it is actually 375 plus 500, so 875 by 1000. In this way, actually calculation is also required, because in examination you will not get calculator. So without calculator, if you want to calculate, so no problem. 0.5 into 750, it will come 375 plus 500 by 1000, so it is 875 by 1000, that means 0.875. Okay, is it clear? Okay, we will go to the next problem. Another important problem for JEE Main. First, you copy this one. I think it is clear for you. If you have any problem, you can ask me question in the comment box also. No problem. Okay. Okay, student. Now the second question. This question tells a 5.2 molar aqueous solution of methyl alcohol is supplied. Okay. What is the mole fraction of methyl alcohol in the solution? So actually this question, actually molality as well as mole fraction, both are related with each other, application based question. So molal, first of all, what is the definition of molality? Molality means, you know, number of moles of solute present in 1000 gram of the solvent. So here it is aqueous solution. So aqueous solution means, what is the name of the solvent? Yes, aqueous means, you know, water. So actually the meaning of this is that 5.2 mole methyl alcohol is present in 1000 gram of water. So 5.2 mole, this is methyl alcohol, that means CH3OH, is present in 1000 gram of water. In 1000 gram of water. Okay. So number of mole of methyl alcohol is known. Now we have to calculate number of mole of water. So water means, what is the molecular weight of water? First of all, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16. That means 2 plus 16. So it will be 18 gram mole inverse. So 18 gram mole inverse, this is the molecular weight. So 1000 gram of water means 1000 by 18 mole. So 1000 by 18, what will be the result? It will come 55.55 mole. So now you see, we got the number of mole of water as well as number of mole of methanol or methyl alcohol. We have to calculate the mole fraction of methyl alcohol. Now mole fraction of methyl alcohol, if we represent it as X, then what is the formula of this? What will be the formula? It means number of mole of methyl alcohol plus number of mole of water by total, this will be this number of mole of methyl alcohol by total mole, that is NCH3OH plus NH2. This is the mole fraction. Number of mole of the particular compound by total number of mole. Suppose if we have to calculate mole fraction of water, then what will be the formula? Number of mole of water by total mole. This is the formula of mole fraction, and it has no unit. So now we will calculate. We got the number of mole. Okay, first of all we will write the data. Let's write the data, then we will put the values. Okay, so NCH3OH, it is 5.2, and NH2O, this is 55.55 mole. Okay, already we got this. Now we will put the value. Now we will put the value, that is XCH3OH. This will be 5.2 by total, that means 5.2 plus 55.55, that is 5.2 by, if you calculate, then it will be 60.75. Now if you calculate, then you will get the result. Ultimately the result will come 0.086. So what will be the correct option? Here you can see we got already the correct option here. The correct option is option B, that is 0.086. So in this way we can calculate mole fraction using the data of molality. So it is the application based question from the molality. Okay, you copy it. It is also very important part for important question for JEE Main. You copy it first. I think it is clear for you now. Mole fraction means always mole fraction means number of mole of the component, particular that component, by total number of mole. Okay. Dissolving 120 gram of urea, molar mass is given 60, in 1000 gram of water is 1.15 gram per ml. The molarity of the solution. First, molarity means, what is the definition? Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1000 ml or 1 liter of the solution. So let's see here which is given. Molecular weight is given, and for solute mass is 120 by its molar mass. It is the number of mole, that means 2 mole solute is there. And solution, actually for solution density is given and directly total volume is not given. So we have to calculate. So solution means what? Solvent plus solute. So it is 1000 plus 120 gram. That means 1120 gram. Now density is given. Volume we have to calculate. Volume means what? Mass by density. So mass by density means 1120 by 1.15 ml, but if we can calculate in liter, then it will be easier for us. So liter means 1120 by 1.15 into 1000 देके divide करना होगा, तो liter. So we got the volume in liter and we got number of mole. So simply molarity means mole per liter. So number of mole of solute per liter of the solution. So here if you want to go for molarity, then it will become number of mole is 2 by 1120 and rest of the data will come here 1.15. This is molarity, and if you calculate, then what will come? Let's calculate this one. And if you calculate, then ultimately, let's now calculate. Yes, if you calculate, then ultimately it will get the value that is 2.05. So what will be the answer? What will be the, which is the correct option here? This is the correct option. That is option C, 2.05 molar. So in this way, easily we can calculate. So if you follow these 3 problems just before the day of the competitive exam, from molarity and molality, I think you can easily calculate all the problems. Okay. Thank you. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment. Okay. And ultimately, at the last, stay tuned with me, subscribe my channel and notification bell जो है उसमें click कर देना है. Okay. Have a nice day.